Hello friends. Today we will talk about hips and that one muscle that can eliminate joint pains and looking fat. If you work on this hidden muscle, you can eliminate lot of demons from your body. It will unlock your strength, immune system, energy levels and athletic performance. A sedentary lifestyle can lead to tight hip flexors and hip flexor pain. That's because excessive sitting causes the muscles to relax and deactivate. This survival muscle is our body's most powerful muscle. When untrained, it can lead to many problems like bad posture, trouble during sleep, digestive problems, explosiveness in the gym. Top athletes know about this and train hard to make the muscle strong, and that is why are so successful in their lives. Click the link in the description box below and see for yourself. Most people experience and see preliminary effects within 20 to 30 minutes, so you may as well get started. Even if you're the most active of athletes, you may still suffer from tight hip flexors due to the amount of time you spend each day planted to a chair. If you sit a lot and have a belly that protrudes, it's 99% sure you have tight hip flexors. Most of us do. Some of the main hip flexors are iliopsoas, rectus femoris, tensor and fasciae latae. One exercise that would help is kneel on your left knee. Lean forward, stretching your left hip toward the floor. Squeeze your butt, this will allow you to stretch your hip flexor even more. Then, rotate your torso open to the left. Hold for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. Switch sides and repeat. Other moves that can open hip flexor. 1. Skating squat. 2. Low lung variations. 3. One-legged bridge lift and lower. 4. Crescent lunge knee up. If your muscles are too tight or if you make a sudden movement, your hip flexors can stretch or tear. Hip flexor pain is usually felt in the upper groin region, where the thigh meets the pelvis. To avoid hip flexor pain, you should pay more attention to these muscles. There are many great ways to fix the hip flexor with this program, which has helped thousands. Do not look elsewhere and just get this awesome program to change your life. You are one of them and trying to find solution, otherwise you wouldn't be here. Act now. Click the link in the description box below and hit the order button. And do not forget to share, subscribe and comment.